owner of Milton Keynes School of Motoring. A lot of people ask me who's the instructor I'm going to be with. Well, if you're doing the electric Kona, you'll come in with myself. It's a fully automatic car, giving you your full automatic license. The gentleman sat next to me is a guy called Robert. He's just passed his test this morning in Leighton Buzzard. Basically, I'm going to hand the phone over to him, and he's going to give the review of how today's test went. Over to you, Robert.
Yeah, so hi everyone. So today, on the third time, I have finally passed. I believe Mark is probably one of the best instructors around in Milton Keynes, and I could not recommend him enough. So I think if you are looking to do your automatic driving or even manual, give Mark a call or an email, and I promise you all now, you will not be disappointed.
Thanks very much. Hopefully catch you on the next one.